people, mabuhay!
My name is Warren Gula,
Bryce Espahian, Daisy Familar, Gwendolyn Flores,
Erica Carlom,
and we are the Gold Squad!
Tangang atod may interview, so panganin mo?
My name is Kid Gerald Angelo Papua.
Okay, sa man imong major?
This Industrial Technology, Artificial Doctrine.
Okay. So nabi kaning one question mo about IT. So naa ba kay knowledge about IT, di ba? Okay, so akong pangutan na is what is the type of operating system?
There are two types, the desktop operating system and network operating system.
Wow, kabalo siya Wendy. Okay, thank you. Sige.
Ako di ay si Daisy Jane, magandang day ko o kanang video para sa amo ang IT. So, kasi pangalan mo?
Muna si Darren Philip from BS Intech EFX.
So, kanang ready na ba ka sa question?
Hindi na lang.
So, sige kanang. Question number 1, kanang. What is the meaning of RAM?
RAM, random active memory.
O, sakto. Hi sir, good evening. Pili ka ma-interview. Kung sino nga lang, sir?
Ako si Sandijan G. Akot
Asa ka lang eskwela, sir?
sa Kabadbaran City Senior High School.
Okay, sir. Na ako yung mga question diri alang sa atong interview. Okay, let's start na. What are the types of operating system?
First is desktop operating system. Second is network operating system.
Okay, and how about what is the meaning of LAN and WAN?
A local area network and wide area network.
Okay, sir. Salamat sa imong pagtubag sa atong interview and questions.
Ano ang interview mo? Mawatanan ako sa imong name ug imong mail mo. Name na ko kagaya Esparagosa Encosco, BTBTF, first year student. Major na ko ang okay. What is the meaning of UTP? UTP is Unshielded Twisted Pair. Wow, kabalo siya na.
Number 4 is what is the meaning of STP?
It is the Shielded Twisted Pair.